In this video, I am going to share with you some of the great looking and premium illustrations of different styles, line illustrations, isometric illustrations that you are seeing a lot in recent times in mobile app designs and in your website designs. So this is a website I am working on right now. This is my own website, Learn UX ID, where you can buy my courses. And right now it is in production. It is building right now, and you can see these are the illustrations I have used. These are not my illustrations. I mostly purchase them, and you can see over here, here's another one. Then if we go down, here is another one, and if we go down, here is the last one in the footer. So you can see these illustrations, they are going to give a great life force to your designs. So let me share with you the top premium resources right now. You can buy, you can purchase them, and you can use them in your designs to enhance their you can say interactivity, engagement, and their design value. So let's get started. So mostly I buy from creativemarket.com, and here I'm going to share with you the best I have found on this platform. Some are in my buy list, which wish list, and some of them I already have bought. So this is another one. So isometric illustrations are going to look a little bit of 3D. So they will have a 3D environment kind of look. You can see this cube over here, this person, they have 3D look. So this is very nice isometric illustrations for business applications, and you can see they can be used in a lot of ways. This is the illustrations I'm going to buy next for my next website design, and you can see over here this is a very nice style, very elegant, very nice detailed style. You can change the colors in Illustrator, so that is not a problem. So if you want to color them a little bit different, you can change the colors. Then moving to the next commercial value, you're going to buy this one, $48. One more tip is, if you are working with a client, ask them or include this price in the invoice, and always license them to yourself, because you can use them in more projects. Okay, so next one, this is another one which is about self development, and these are the illustrations I bought this kind of, and they can be used in a lot of places. You can color them, and there are a lot of different themes, different items. You can also separate them. You can use and combine 2 or 3 of them in different places. Like you can see over here we have just a calendar item, and you can also use the collage or combined style for these kind of illustrations. So a lot of students ask me where I buy my illustrations. So here is my secret. I always buy these kind of illustrations from Creative Market, and I always tend to go for this kind of style, because it is not going to get old. It is going to stay there for like 3 or 4 years at least. But if you look for another style, you can see over here, this is another style. This is line plus filled style. So they are, this is also a bit rounded for me. You can see a lot of rounded shapes over here. I also have one of these with me, and I have used it in one of my previous designs. You can see over here, here's another one. This is again line Vicons Volume 2. So you can see these are a lot of detailed icons, and they are in different colors with lines, a lot of elegance over here. And let me show you a few more. Here is another one. This is related to education. I might buy these two for my next this website, learnuxid.com. Okay, so there are few styles. Like you can see over here, this is a style that is a bit illustrative and have different colors and a bit fun kind of look, friendlier look for your website. So if your website is offering a service that is a bit inviting, friendlier, and have some fun, then you can use these kind of illustrations. So you can see over here, these illustrations and their theme is totally different from the line illustrations you have seen last time. So these are colorful and fun illustrations. I'm going to give you all the links to these illustrations. If you want to buy them, you can buy them. And this is very costly, $250. I'm not sure, maybe the illustration costs a lot, but these are very nice illustrations. Here we have another style. This is a flat line hero image style of these illustrations, and I think I have also one set I have bought like this one. These are by Creative Graphics, and these are $15. I love when the price is very low, so you can look for the price for the commercial. If you think that it is justifiable and you can easily buy them, you can buy them. These kind of illustrations always charge the amount to your client. Okay. Then we have this isometric flat design concept, color concept. This is another one. I have bought this one too. I try to use it in my Learn UX ID website, but my brother advised me to use the line style. So this is also isometric. If your project supports that, you can use these kind of illustrations. You can get these and buy these and use them in your designs to pump them up. So they are going to look great. Okay, so let's come to the line icons, detailed line icons that can be used as illustrations. So here I have few like this one, big bundle of black and white icons. These are again by Boyko Pictures, and I think I really love the style of these Boyko Pictures icons. You can see over here they have different icons and different styles. You can color them. You can have an orange background behind them. There are a lot of styles you can do. So you can see, I actually did something like this. So I changed multiple colors in my website to change the icons, these line icons to my taste. So this is the way you can do and use these kind of icons. Make sure you check all these icons in detail and see if they are great for your project. For example, my project was related to online earning and online learning and user experience and UI design. So I had to check that all my requirements or all the illustrations I need are inside this pack. So make sure you have all the illustrations inside this pack. Now next I'm going to show you some more icons from Boyko Pictures, and these are really awesome. You can see here a lot of great style, different colors. So this is another set. You can see this is for business and education. So you have to see what icons are there and whether you can use them in your project or not. So this is another one. I really love the style of Boyko Pictures. Then we have another set over here. You can see over here, you can change the colors and style of this icon set. This is basically illustrative icons. Now here is another one, coronavirus disease. If you are interested to create few more icons or few more apps, you can see these are really really cheap. They are for only $9 and they are in PNG, SVG and PDF files. And you can open them in Adobe XD, Sketch, InDesign, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So this is another set which you can use in current times. Also here is another style. So you can see each illustration or the artist, they have different styles. You can see this is a very cheerful kind of style. These are by Paper Pillar, and here are different characters you can make. These are different items you can use. So you can create things like that. So this is kind of illustration kit which you can use to build different scenes. Then there is a separate artist which is from Craftwork Design, and I really love their illustrations. You can see over here, if you go down, these are different illustrations. These are in different styles. This is nature illustration. This is a kind of 3D illustration. These are fat guys illustration, I call them. So this is the one I am really interested in, afterclap illustrations. So I'm going to, I think, buy this one next month. And these are different styles. So these are really nice. I think I'm going to use them in my next website, which I'm going to open up. So these are, you can see over here, very nice illustrations. A very different kind of style, line illustrations, and simpler and really nice. Then we have few from UI8.net, and you can see over here, I'm going to share the links in the description. So if you want to open or purchase them, I'm going to categorize them in UI8, craft illustrations, and all that stuff. So you can easily find and download them or purchase them. So this is another one. I really like this style, very simple, very friendly style for illustrations. Then we have another one which is very colorful, cheerful kind of style. You can see over here, punk kind of style or whatever you call them. Very different, maybe good for young people or maybe younger generation website, something like that. Then this is a very different thing, which is animated pack of different SVG icons and illustrations. So you can see these are animations. You can generate them from Adobe After Effects. You can see AE. So After Effects, and these are for $18. So the rates on UI8 are a bit good, $25. Then we have $29. And these are really nice. So if they are going to really pump up on your website, you can generate a MP4, which is a video file, and play that in loop like this one. So this is a totally different style. So that is going to sum up this video about creative illustrations I download and use, and what are my sources, where I get them, and how I use them. So I normally buy from this creative market and use them in my personal and commercial projects. So you can see over here, like these are $29. This is a good price. So anything below $50, I think, is reasonable. So that is all about this lesson. If you like this video or enjoyed this video, you can always subscribe and like and share this video. So that is all. This is the end of the video. I'm going to make few more videos like this one for free illustrations. So make sure you subscribe and get that video too. So till then, take care and bye. See you soon in next video.